Good evening, YouTube. This is Robin Monrovia once again with a lantern video. Big surprise. Here's a unique one, a clipper made by the CT Ham Company in Rochester, New York. It's hot blast variety. Has a lot of Dietz characteristics, as you can tell. At first I thought it was a Dietz when I found it at this antique shop out in Redlands, and took me by surprise. It wasn't a Dietz, but that doesn't stop me from buying it. It's a nice hot blast. Has great character, really nice patina. Cleaning the globe just a little bit, I noticed it says Ham number 5, so I believe this is the original globe to this lantern. Pretty cool stuff. It has a small dent right there in the front of the fount, not a big deal. Earlier filler cap, as the Dietz Monarchs or the early Victors had at turn of the century, the small little brass filler cap. Small wheel for the wick adjustment. Let me turn this around here. You can get a load of the embossed stamp on the back of the fount. Yep, CT Ham Manufacturing, Rochester, New York. Definitely a competitor of Dietz. Now, as we know, Dietz had the side lift on the back. Now this one seems like it's creeping out a little bit around the front, so you can actually press it down and it locks right here. See, that's not a bad feature. They're trying to get little things to entice people to buy their lanterns instead of Dietz. New York had a few lantern manufacturers apparently, so competition was kind of stiff. But there we are. The Clipper Hot Blast has a lot of looks of the high-low or Monarch, but that's okay. It's fun to have something that's not a Dietz. That's good. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoyed making it. Keep them coming. Shout out to Bob, the Lantern Guy. This is definitely up your alley. Hope you enjoy. Glad you had a great weekend with your friends, and been watching your videos and following your progress there. So anyways, take care. Have a good night. God bless.